How to fix Asus monitor not turning on. So if you want to fix your Asus monitor not turning on, then there are numerous possible solutions or reasons that your Asus monitor is not being turned on. It might be because of a loose power connection, a faulty power cable, a faulty power supply, or if the backlight inside the monitor is not working properly. It could also be a consequence of an outdated graphics card or a defective motherboard. In order to troubleshoot and diagnose the problem of why your Asus monitor is not turning on, you need to follow the steps. First, you need to ensure that the power connector is securely connected and that nothing is loose. If it's all good there, then check your power cable and your power socket are working or not. After that, if everything checks out nicely, then check the power supply. And if it's faulty or malfunction, then replace it with a new one. Lastly, if the new power supply works fine, then you need to check your monitor cable as it might be faulty. If it still doesn't work, then possibly there is an issue with your graphics card or motherboard, which needs to be replaced. And if it still doesn't work, then you just need to simply go and troubleshoot your monitor. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.